Good morning everyone. I am Manju Singh and today again I have come with another video of the same chapter, chapter number 4 of class 10th. Subject is geography. We are studying about the food crops which are not grains, and in that we have studied the sugar cane and tea. Now we'll come to coffee. Coffee is our second beverage crop after tea. Means most of the people drink tea, and then means the people who take a coffee, they are less in number than the people who take tea. We grow two varieties of coffee in our country. Main two groups are there, two varieties are there. One is Arabica, another one is Robusta. In Arabica, this variety is well known for its quality in world. Means our country's coffee is well known for its quality in world. Now the production of coffee is also not indigenous of our country. It has been brought forth from some other place, that is Yemen, during the British government, and it was its production was started in Baba Budan Hills, which is in Karnataka. And interestingly that it is still, coffee production is limited to the South India's hilly tracts. The states where coffee grows are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India. Coffee is also a plantation crop. It was brought from Yemen during the British rule. For growing coffee, we need hot and humid climate. Rainfall above 100 centimeter is needed, but like tea, it also does not need standing water. So the soil should be drained. That is why only soil should be drained. Means lots of water is needed, but standing water is not needed, and that is why the production of coffee is grown in the hilly area so that water should flow. Temperature is needed for the coffee is more than 21 degrees Celsius. But above 30 degrees Celsius is very harmful for coffee's production. And for this reason, what happens? Coffee is grown under the shady trees. Means trees under the shade of the trees. Next one is oil seeds. Main oil seeds which we produce, they are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, which is known as til, soya-bean, castor seeds and linseed. This is TC. It is til and this is sesame is til and this is TC. In our country, the cropped area, means of all cropped area, about 12% is covered by oilseeds production. Means about 12% of cropped area grows oilseeds. Almost oilseeds are edible, means they are fit for eating. Means we cook our food, or we make pickles, or we fry papad. Everything is done in this oil. But there are other uses also. Means the oil seeds is used in making of soaps, ointment, means marham, then cosmetic. Now which oil seed is what type of crop? So groundnut is kharif crop. Linseed and mustard are rabi crop. Sesame is kharif crop in North India. Means it is grown in kharif season in the northern part of our country, and during rabi crop, when rabi is grown, means in winter season in southern part of our country. Castor seeds, it is both rabi crop and kharif crop. It grows always. Now Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnut, and Rajasthan is largest producer of mustard and rapeseed. Mustard is sarso and rapeseed is It is also a type of sarso, but it is white sarso. Means it is safed sarso. Almost half of the total produced mustard and rapeseed are produced by Rajasthan. Means most oil seeds are produced in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now for today it is only this much. In next video we'll see about horticulture. Means growing of fruits and vegetables. Thank you.